Hello Member Circle, this is Susan Coleman. In my last video, I spoke about awakening the body somatically and that a lot of my work centers around somatic intelligence. The other area of work that I am going to bring forth into the Member Circle is about living a self-mastered life. And I do have other courses listed on my teacher's page that you can feel free to listen to. But I'd like to just say how somatic intelligence and self mastery truly complement each other and enhance each other. And with self mastery, first I'd like to point out that sometimes we think that self mastery is about trying to live perfectly, or whatever that word actually means, to be some sort of perfect human being. And I don't have that view of self mastery at all. My interpretation, or one of my interpretations of living a self mastered life, is basically being aware and knowing when I am not living from my heart. Being aware and knowing when I am living with fear and using some sort of defense mechanism and truly disconnecting from my authentic self, and then therefore not really authentically connecting to other human beings or other energies of life. So when I use somatic awakening with the principles and theories of self mastery, it works so beautifully together because sometimes the mind is very strong and it's very convincing and it's very seductive and it can truly lie to us, and oftentimes we don't know. However, the body never lies. If there's stress and holding in my body, I understand and recognize that that means there's some sort of holding, some sort of block going on in that moment in my mind that maybe I'm not truly aware of. But the body never lies. So I love to check in with the body to see if there's holding patterns or feeling sensations of energetic blocks so that I can use the micro movement or breath technique or an exploratory practice to sense it deeply and to accept it and to move into it so that it dissolves. And I don't try to analyze it and I don't try to figure it out. And I try my hardest not to put a storyline to the block or the resistance that I am feeling, because that just stops the process. Instead, when we sense a holding, we sense an energetic block, we try to just accept and soften and move into and lean into until the block passes and dissolves. And sometimes it does in that moment, and sometimes it doesn't. However, I encourage you to never think that energetic blocks means that there's wrong with us. Nobody is broken and none of us need fixing. Instead, I offer a different response, and that response is that maybe it's just a calling for balance. When I engage in somatic awakening, there is a recognition that I am a soma. That means a whole system, mind, body, nervous system that is working together. And I'm never just my mind, and I'm never just my body, and I'm never just my nervous system. And that they communicate with each other and they express themselves through our soma, our physical being. So I hope to see you in more of my classes, and I hope you're enjoying the videos. Thank you so much for welcoming me here in the member circle, and I truly look forward to growing our relationships together. Thank you. Bye now.